Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would do a lip swatch video. I haven't done one of these in so long. I remember I used to do them so often back in the day. So I recently received the new Huda Beauty like liquid mini pack things. So this one's the natural nudes and this one's the power pinks. And then I just had two other colors that I also had that weren't in the packs that I swatched for you guys as well. So if you'd like to see what these beautiful nudes look like swatched on my lips, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by swatching the natural nude palette. So it comes with 4 colors. They are Girlfriend, Trendsetter, Sugar Mama, and Bikini Babe. I'm gonna go from lightest to darkest. This one is called Bikini Babe, and I can already tell that it's gonna be really light. So I might go in with like a darker lip liner just to like, I don't know, define my lips a bit because this one looks really pale. I'm just gonna go in with this Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil and line my lips first. Then I'm going in with Bikini Babe. Oh my god, it is so pale, but it's actually not bad. The formula of these is so nice. I'm kind of like blending it in with the lip liner as well. I kind of feel like this kind of color would look amazing on pale skin tones, but because I'm quite tan, it kind of just like washes my lips out. To be completely honest, I'm not actually hating it. Like, there's something about it with the lip liner that I really like. Like, it's a like obviously really nude. It's not something that I would typically wear, but like, I don't know. Maybe you could use this with an ombre lip, so using like a darker color and then this just dabbing it in the middle. Like, it is a really nice color. It's more of like a peachy sort of like nude, but I really like it. Going in with Sugar Mama now. This one's a tad darker, so I'm probably not going to use a lip liner and just go straight in. Oh, this is so nice. Kind of feels like you're applying a gloss at first and then it dries matte. It's more of like a peachy, like nude color. I feel like it really complements my eye makeup look. I actually played around with her new Coral Obsessions palette as well on the eyes today. I don't know, I just feel like this is like a really, really pretty nude. And obviously if you want your lips a little bit more defined, then go in with a lip liner, but like I find it like works well without a lip liner. So that one was Sugar Mama. So next color is called Trendsetter. So I'm just gonna go in with this ColourPop one and line my lips first. Ooh. This one is really nice. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with that one. It's definitely more of a color I would typically wear. I'd rather like darker sort of nude, so yeah, I love that one. So the last color from the Naturals palette is called Girlfriend. It's definitely got more of a peachier like undertone. Yeah, that is a really nice color. It's definitely something that I would wear like day to day. It's not too light and it's not too dark. It's like the perfect nude. So I'm living for this color. Now I'm gonna swatch the Power Pink set. Super cute. I might go from lightest to darkest again. I might just line my lips again. I'm just lining my lips with like the same lip liner because I don't really have much of a like defined lip line, so it kind of looks funny when I apply light colors without any lip liner. So I'm just going to apply this. Oh, this is pretty. Again, very corally. It's pink, but it's not like in your face pink. It's really soft, but it has like that coral sort of undertone. I really like this color. Okay, next color I'm gonna swatch is Icon. Just gonna go in with a lip liner. This one's the Bel Air one by Gerard. Ooh, this one's nice. They go on so easily. Okay, so this one's Icon. I really like it. It's nothing that I would normally wear. Like, I did used to use Brave a lot by MAC, which was a little bit similar, but this one is a little bit darker. But I really like it for like a bold, but not like too in your face type lip. But like, I love the formula of these. Like, doesn't really feel like I'm wearing a liquid lipstick. Like, usually liquid lipsticks can be very drying and uncomfortable on the lips. That's why I tend to go for glosses usually, like on top of liquid lipsticks or even lipsticks. But it doesn't make your lips look like dry or cracked. It is actually making my lips look really smooth and moisturized, which is like, yeah, really good for a liquid lipstick. But yeah, I'm living for this color. I really like it. I might actually wear this one today. I don't know yet. Final two colors, I'm gonna go in with Trophy Wife, I think. This one is actually really similar to the last one. It's just kind of more of a berry sort of look. Oh my God, don't mind my horrible application, but that is Trophy Wife. I really like it. It's, again, not really a shade that I would typically like wear day to day or even like out. I don't know, I just don't think I really suit like deep pink colors, but like, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Like, I don't know, I just don't think it really suits me as well as like other colors. Okay, the last color is called Medusa. Okay, this looks like really purpley, so I'm kind of scared. Okay, I'm not gonna go in with a lip liner. Oh. It's definitely not as pigmented as the other colors. Like, I'm gonna have to go over it again. It's definitely a very unique color. Like, it's not something, you know, you wear every day. But I actually don't hate it. Like, there's something about this that I really like. Like, it's not too like, what the hell, like, have you got on your lips? Like, it is more of like a gray sort of purple, but like, yeah, I'm kind of like liking it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below which color is your fave. Okay, so I have two more colors to share with you guys. They are the shades Bombshell and Muse. I did actually receive these liquid lipsticks as well, but these ones are already in those little sets. So there's only two more left, two more different colors left to swatch. So I'm gonna swatch Muse first. I'm gonna line my lips first. Oh my God, yes. I love this color. It's so pretty. This is definitely a color like I would wear every day. Okay, so the final color that I'll be swatching is called Bombshell, and I have a feeling this is gonna be one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna line my lips again with the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner, then gonna go in with Bombshell. Ooh. Okay, it's definitely not what I thought. It's definitely a lot lighter than I thought it would be. And it is really peachy as well. Not that that's a bad thing, but I just thought it'd be like a dark brown. So that is Bombshell. And that is all the liquid lipsticks that I have to swatch for you guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you want to see more swatch videos, I remember I used to do them so often back in the day. So if you guys want me to do more videos like this, then let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.